Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing all right on this Saturday morning. We got ourselves a whole bunch of animals for Paul. It's going to be a 1 through 10, so let's get ourselves a start time. So we got a start time of 11:47. It's going to show our proofs. That. And that. There are our payments. Let's go on over to random.org. Show there's a valid certificate. Let's get a couple refreshes, and then we'll get this one on the books. Then one more for good luck. Alright. 1 through 10. Good luck. Number 7. Number 7's our winner. Let's go see who 7 was. Number 7 was Sharon. Congratulations, Sharon. We got winner. And then we're going to go ahead and end this. Alright. Congratulations, Sharon. Thanks everybody else for playing. And thank you, Paul, for letting me run your video.